what?
Uh-oh. Here. I'll really... Oh, hey, it's on this side. I got it in my hands. See? Hold on. Where did my gun go? Oh, no! I have your gun now, hold on. I'm trying to find it. Hold on. Okay. Where did my gun go? Oh, here it is. Alright, take it. It's under the truck. I have to release the brakes. Here, I'll drop the truck out of the way.
Alright. Yay! I don't know how the heck I threw it under the truck.
But you did.
I don't think we have brakes anymore.
Uh-oh. Yeah, we do.
Oh, okay. What does releasing brakes mean?
It releases the truck's brakes, like
oh, so it can roll down a hill.
Yeah, so it can roll down a hill.
I got you.
This is great.
Oh, roll tide.
Oh. Oh.
Fish. Oh. I'm an egg. I need to get a new gun.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. I need to get rid of this grenade launcher before I hurt myself. Cause it's the life I live. Oh, we're underwater drivers.
Yeah, I'm getting on this. No.
Scooter Brothers.
Did you allow your voice? No. Oh.
Oh, the bridge is going. Oh, no, it's not.
The bridge is still here. Oh God, what? Shoot again. What the fuck? Okay. On my screen, there's just an orange glow and then a shell. Your gun is not even like shooting or anything, but all I see is just an orange flash and then a shell of a bullet just fly out on the screen. It's weird.
I'm using the sassy old.
Oh.
You know those Modern Warfare 2 memes?
Yeah. This isn't like supposed to expand dong, but it does.
Truth.
Are you watching basketball, you sport nerd? Still a sport nerd.
Sports nerd. Sports nerd. Nerd.
What? An 80-year-old man charges a mound?
88-year-old man charges the mound in baseball.
Wow.
He dumps the bat, the ball comes in too high and inside, and he charges the mound.
Wow.
How much did he charge him? Like $30?
Yeah, about $30,000.
That's a lot of money. How's that freaking base mound gonna pay for it? All the mound is a terrible candy bar.
I'm going to go and annoy lower rank guys.
Okay.
Good.
We need to find more Karma events, Colt. Oh, there's a Pagan Draft convoy just in time.
We need to find more calmer events. Let's kill people.
Let's go.
Alright, Pagan's Wrath.
Time to lay down some mines. Oh no, they're going the way we're running.
Come back with your truck.
God damn it.
I forgot how to open up the weapon wheel.
L1.
I'm holding L1 down. Oh well.
I wonder what happens if I shoot these frag grenades. Nothing.
Well, look at me get on it. Watch this. Hello.
Oh, no. No thanks. Oh, you're inside sand mounds. Go back. You're inside sandbags. No, thanks. Oh, hey, we got 4. There's Zakazi.
Let's commandeer this.
Hey, Zakazi, we turned your party into a clusterfuck.
Oh, this guy hit me.
I was not a part of the turning to death. I just got here.
Wait. Why?
Would you
What? Why are you only in the passenger seat? Oh.
This guy won't leave.
Tell him to leave and get lost. Tell him to get out of town.
No, I wanted that. Talk to you a little bit.
Okay. Oh. Bruh! Gosh. I just lost 50 karma points again. God damn.
I mean, he wouldn't get out of the driver's seat.
Ugh.
Watch this. This is what I call mountain boys.
Oh. How am I still in the back? This is great. Oh no! I almost died. Oh, mask yelling over here. Oh, it's here.
Underwater. This is my first mask yelling.
Watery grave. Location discovered. Whoa. Oh, there's the mask.
Mask is right here.
Whoa. Okay. Wait, there's a loot chest here too.
As much as I want to listen to their reactions, I don't. There's a little 5-year-old.
What?
I've got someone with that background noise where they crying.
Did you seriously just miss that?
It won't let me climb on it.
What the fuck?
Oh, there it goes.
Oh,
Come play Fortnite.
Hey Colt, I'm gonna go towards something that's like on my map, and it has like an explosive icon on it. I don't know what it is, but I'm just gonna go to it. But hey, look at these fags.
Okay.
Watch. Don't shoot them. Watch this. Don't shoot them.
Whoops.
Get wrecked.
Yep.
I just killed a man from a distance with what? Yeah. Colt, you failed me.
No one cares.
Oh, wow. Look at this turd over here.
Oh, GTA is glitching. I am now on top of a entity. This is wrong.
I don't know why this icon is here, Colt. I don't know why. It's
I
weird.
don't see anything.
It's that way. I'm going up this way.
Oh, that doesn't sound friendly. Let's go.
What is it? I know I hear something, but I don't know exactly what it is. Oh. Okay, if it's that way. Okay, this icon is outside the map.
I'm trying to remember.
It's that way. It's this way.
Hold on.
We're on the edge of the map right now.
Explosion. I don't see any explosion.
No, like the icon. The icon for an explosive on my screen is this way.
Oh.
I don't know why. It's right there. It's like way off in the distance though.
Like the mountain one.
It's way off in the distance. It's weird. Oh hey, guess what? God doesn't love you. Oh, watch out, Colt.
What?
I set down a mine.
We all know that about what the dog
Okay, let's go, Colt. Oh. Oh, ow.
How come I'm the only one that can do it cool like?
Cool, like,
Deagle,
oh.
though.
What?
Lost my Deagle.
Uh-oh. I have a golden 44 Magnum.
What?
I could have popped the new mine up on the wall. Oh, it could have been and not a player.
Killed him.
Oh, I lost my buzzsaw. That's what I lost. I think you picked up the buzzsaw.
No, this is my buzzsaw.
I know. But like, you probably picked up.
It's my buzzsaw. I don't know what you talking about, boy. Tell you what. That was bad. Oh, rhinoceros! Oh, shit.
What? Where'd you come from?
I killed it.
I shall teabag it.
Oh,
while you
there's
pick
another
it.
rhino.
What? I'll get that one then.
Okay. It's gonna be damaged skin. Oh, you're inside of it. You have her face all up in it.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh,
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, what the crap?
Get out of there.
Oh, oh my God, what the crap?
What's hitting me?
It was this guy right here. He was killing you. This guy right here.
I didn't shoot at him.
I got hand warmers from it, even though it's not winter. Let's go. I don't know where all those rhinoceros came from.
We just killed a rhino family.
Let's go. I'm gonna cut this flower.
This is a little den thing.
Oh, where are you? Oh. Is there anything in here?
They're like, no.
Oh.
Don't know why it's even here.
Oh, this was a place for whatever it was, the yellow. And there's a grenade here. I don't know where that grenade went to.
See, he's safe.
Let's go, bruh.
Better than find a cure.
Yee.
He's slaughtering. They may have been killed, but they're not. They were.
Pagan Drive convoy coming up the road, Colt. What are we gonna do?
I'm gonna throw my bait at them. You're gonna die, kid.
Woo!
I
Let's do
think
this.
it was the other way around.